So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to make your Threads account public. Now I'll be showing you two ways of doing this. The first method is by going to your profile, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page, and then you can tap on edit profile, tap on that. And then on the edit profile page, you should see private profile at the bottom. If it's enabled, it means your profile is private. So to make it public, simply turn this off and then tap on done in the top right corner. It's going to ask you to confirm you want to switch to a public account. Tap on OK. Let it do its thing, and now your account is public. And you can know your account is public because whenever you go to your profile page, you should see this globe icon in the top left corner to indicate that your Threads account is public. Now the second way of doing this is, again, from the home page, tap on your profile icon to take you to your profile page, and then tap on this two-line button in the top right corner. That takes you to settings. Tap on privacy and use this switch. Okay, now since we've already made ours public, that's why it says private profile is disabled. If it was public, if it was private, I mean, it would look like that. And of course, to make it public, you have to turn off private profile like that. So those are the two ways of making your Threads account public. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.